think he's just finished because I only just got around to asking someone if I'm allowed on the other side because there's no entry. Just gonna make my way back to the house, and lovely British weather to test out the extra horsepower. So what's been done so far is the speed limiter has been taken off. The rev limiter has been taken off. As you can see, I can rev it all the way to the end when I'm at a standstill. And the dyno figures are just with a tune that has brought it up to 710 horsepower, 0.1, can't forget the 0.1. So yeah, the only problem is this is the weather I have to test it out in.